Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Cori, and here on my channel I do cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. I also do have another channel called Cori Heart, and that is all things in between. But let's go ahead and get on into today's video. Thank you guys so much for being here. Today I am cleaning up the aftermath of the mess that I made while I was painting the baseboards here in my office. So you guys will watch me laugh, cry, and cry some more while trying to move this desk back to where it needs to be. I did eventually get it. You guys witnessed it. It was a lot of work. Anyways, so I'm just going to be deep cleaning this room, minus my blinds, because I will be cleaning my blinds in a separate video. I'm not sure how many rooms I'm going to be cleaning the blinds in. However, in an upcoming video, I will be cleaning those blinds. So I just wanted you guys to know. If you guys have not seen the video of me painting the baseboards, I will link that down in the description box. Also, you can see it is just the second video previous to this one. You can watch that. It was a lot of fun, a super tedious job, and I'm glad it's done, and I'm never going to do it again. So I am going to stop chatting now and just let you guys watch the video. I did not use anything special, anything new or specific. You guys will see that I am using my LG Cord Zero vacuum. That is not new. I've used it in a few videos, but there will be a review video coming up on my channel within the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned for that one, and let's just listen to the music, get some motivating cleaning done, put me up on your TV, your laptop, your phone, whatever it is that you prefer, and let me know down in the comments if you are cleaning with me or are you just relaxing and watching me clean.
Take it faster than a heartbeat. If I got a glimpse, I'd run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. But it's so hard distance. Without a screen cutting through buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far. Distance. Clouds, will you please help me out? I need to go and see them now. Pick me up off my feet. I know that it's crazy, but I am ready with my suitcase, baby. Clouds, will you please help me out? I need to go and see them now. Pick me up off my feet. I know that it's crazy, but I am ready with my suitcase, baby. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far. But maybe one day we can break the distance.
Broke down in a courtyard, felt alone, hit restart. Life feels strange. Blind faces in a brand new place I've run to. Left all my mistakes 'cause I held your pain. I've hurt myself too much that way. Ooh,
If you have made it this far into the video, please leave me an orange emoji of any kind down in the description box and let me know what it is that you want to see me film next on this channel, which is my cleaning channel, or Cori Heart, which is my channel with all things in between. Everything mom life, makeup, beauty, vlogs, comedy. You get me. Let me know what it is that you want to see. I love each and every one of you, and I am so thankful that you guys have taken the time to watch this video. Bye now.